Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add shadow to an image here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a shadow to an image here in Adobe Express is a simple process that can significantly enhance the visual appeal and depth of your design. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click on the templates wherein you can browse to thousands of inspiring templates that you can begin with. Or if you want to start from scratch and upload your own content, just click on this button. In my case, I'm going to use this design that I have. All right. So basically, I want to add a shadow to an image here in Adobe Express. Now, there isn't an option for you to add a shadow. If you right click on it, there's no shadow here. If you go to the effects, all right, all I have to do is go to the adjustments wherein you can add a shadow. All right. But normally, you're not going to be able to see it because it's part of a thumbnail. What we're going to do is go to the add section, all right? Or let's remove the background of this image. So it's a lot easier for us to navigate to the adjustment and add a shadow. Do you see that? All right. You can toggle in the shadows for as long as you want. And let's add another image here. Maybe pair our boss with someone. Maybe let's look for the media right here. Let's look for a pretty girl or a pretty woman. That would complement. How about these amazing women? Right? 3 of them. Let's try to remove the background. Okay? And add the women at the back. So let's click and send to backward. Now I'm going to add on the adjustment. I'm going to add the shadows right here. You see that? Basically, all I have to do is scrub the shadows because it can add depth, making the image appear more three-dimensional and less flat on the page. It's up to you, all right? Once you are happy with that, all you're gonna do now is click the download button here to download this as an MP4 or a JPEG, or if you want to share this amazing design to your boss or your client, just click on the copy link and send it to them. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.